If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Baldur's Gate 3, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and reduce lag. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components like RAM, CPU, or GPU. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as these updates can improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Adjusting game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Reducing options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow effects can help alleviate lag spikes and improve frame rates. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that consume a lot of resources can interfere with game performance, so it's best to minimize their impact. Step 5. Check internet connection. If you're playing online, ensure your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, and consider resetting your router or checking for network issues that could be causing lag. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Baldur's Gate 3. Happy gaming!